Hi guys, for this video, review tayo uli para sa mga magte-take ng Registered Electrical Engineer Board Exam. So kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please hit the subscribe button and pakilike na rin po itong video. Okay, so basahin natin ang ating sample problem. 3 units of 1:10 transformers are connected in delta Y to supply 3-phase load of 3-phase load from a 3-phase 400 volt source. So what is the line voltage of the load side? So kung titignan yung connection natin ay delta Y. So meaning si delta ay yung line side and then si Y siya yung load side. So kapag mga 1:10 daw ang ratio, 1:10, meaning step up transformer. Okay, so lumaki yung secondary. So lagi nyo tatandaan, pag transformer, ang tinatransform po niyan ay phase value or per phase value. Pag sa delta, line voltage is just equal to phase voltage. So kay Y naman, line voltage is equal to √3 times phase voltage. Okay? So ngayon, ang sabi, line voltage daw, dahil yung voltage ng source daw ay 400 volts, which is also equal to phase voltage ng line side. So kung 1:10 siya ang ratio, so primary natin is 400 and then secondary is equal to dahil 1:10, 400 times 10 is equal to 4,000 volts. So ano secondary niya? Yun na yun, load side, si Y. Meaning, dahil nga sinasabi ko, pag ang transformer at tinatransform niya ay per phase value. So meaning, phase voltage ni Y is equal to 4,000 volts. Okay? Ngayon, ang hinahanap ay line voltage ni Y, which is yung load side. So again, line voltage, Y line voltage is equal to √3 times phase voltage is equal to √3 times 4,000. So lalabas dyan, 6928 volts. So we have option number letter A. Okay, again, sa transformer, ang tinatransform niya ay phase value or per phase. No? So primary phase voltage is 400. So since 1:10 siya, step up, multiply na sa 10 si 400. And then secondary side na natin or yung load side na natin, 400 multiplied by 10 lang. So, 4,000 volts. Kaya lang, ang hinahanap ay line voltage. Kailangan pa natin ng root 3 na i-multiply. Kasi nga, Y connection siya. So, I hope na may natutunan kayo for this video. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please hit the subscribe button. Good luck sa mga mag-board exam. Kaya-kaya nyo yan. Tiwala lang. God bless and goodbye.